We're gonna go a firefighter's adventure with wet pants.
Watch out,
oh boy.
get wet.
Can we fit in here?
Yeah, right.
Let's go! I didn't know what that was. Alright. No, Connor! How'd they get in here?
Hello.
Hi, Connor.
Video of us.
I'm taking care of the big holes.
Just it's wet! Sit! I'm wet.
They took a hop in health class.
Oh my god! Super bad.
I know it was.
So basically, Heather,
Yeah.
we are here on Hampton Beach at what time is there?
It's like 1:35.
Yeah.
We already got the girls wet.
Oh my god! And we're total dirtbags.
Basically.
Dirtbag 1, dirtbag 2.
Actually, he
Dirtbag.
hasn't really said
Yeah,
anything.
so it's just you two.
I'm not a dirtbag.
What did I do?
Who?
I'm just a
Oh,
fun.
please.
I'm just
What
a
did I
fun
do?
person.
Okay, so basically, Connor's gonna shoot
I just
us
like
now.
one-liners. You
Yeah.
know?
You don't have to press anything because it's videoing.
Where's the?
So just leave it.
Video it.
No, just look at us.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, no, Connor, where are you going?
And you work for Radio Shack.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. What are we doing now?
Videoing. That's what I always call it.
Okay.
You got a camera here. Yeah, it does do video.
That's a crazy face.
Oh, you can do
My hand smells so bad. Jesus.
I am not gonna get wet.
It's still going.
Come on, have fun. Oh, that's a loud noise. Ready, go.
Now they're. Yep.
That was awesome.
You should have said I broke it.
Oh my god, we should take that with us.
We should.
Yeah, let's throw it and see what happens.
Wait.
Are we really taking it?
No, hold on. Katie broke the fire truck.
Can we
That's
leave?
the wheel.
No, can we leave before anyone finds out? Because I don't want anyone to know I just broke that. No, guys.